For years, your paycheck has come and gone, slipping through your fingers faster than you can count. But what if, instead of working for your money started working for you? Today, I'll show you how to take that first step into the world of stock market investing, where fortunes are built not by luck but by strategy. First, let's simplify this maze called the stock market. Imagine it as a marketplace, but instead of fruit or bread, you're buying tiny pieces of companies. These pieces are called shares. Owning them makes you a part owner of the company. When they grow, so does your wealth. But here's the catch. Walking in blindly can feel like gambling in a casino. That's why step 1 is crucial. Educate yourself. Before you invest a single dollar, understand the basics. What is a stock? What's an index fund? Think of this as learning the rules of the game before you play. Now step 2. You can start small, but start now. Don't wait for the perfect time or the right amount. Platforms today allow you to begin with as little as $5. Open a brokerage account, a virtual doorway to the market. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard make this process seamless. Step 3. Invest in the basics. Index funds or ETFs. Why? These aren't risky individual stocks, but baskets of them, spreading your investment across multiple companies. Think of them as planting seeds in an entire garden instead of betting on a single tree to grow. And finally, step 4. Stay consistent. Set up automatic investments every month, no matter how small. This is called dollar cost averaging, which smooths out the market's wild ups and downs. Will it be easy? No. Some days your investments will fall and doubt will creep in. But here's the secret. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's a slow burn, a journey that transforms your finances over years, not days. Today, you're not just earning, you're building. Start small, stay patient, and watch your financial story transform.